Stop ruining your prints with manual alignment. Industrial production demands perfection. Let's automate it. Hi, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Today, I'm showing you how to turn this machine into a smart scanner that locks onto your design and cuts with pixel-perfect accuracy. Let's go! This is the Titan Vision System. Using mic point recognition, it turns your machine into a smart scanner that finds your design automatically. In LaserMaker, the secret is the mark layer. Select your registration dots and tell the software, "These are my eyes." Then, set your cut lines as usual. First, let's activate the camera preview to bring your printed sheet into view. Now, the setup. Assign your registration dots to the mark layer. This tells the system, "These are my alignment points." Your cutting lines go on a separate layer. Since we're cutting wood today, it locks in a speed of 30 mm per second and 45% power. Hit start. The overhead camera instantly snaps the entire bed. Set the mark point parameter. Then click Next. Simply click your two target marks on the screen. Watch the head camera take over. It flies to the targets, scans the exact center of the dot, and mathematically aligns your cut file to the material. It corrects for rotation, position, and scale. With the marks recognized, we configure the batch layout. For this run, we are doing a single sheet, one column, one row. But you can scale this up for larger batches with the same pattern. Now, hit Start. The job is sent to the machine. A quick preview confirms the alignment is perfect, and the cutting sequence launches automatically. Now, we cut. Notice the alignment. It doesn't matter if you place the materials slightly crooked. The Titan knows exactly where the mark points are. Finish? Don't touch the file. Swap the sheet, hit Process New Material, and the Titan scans again. You can run hundreds of sheets back to back without ever touching the mouse. The result? Industrial consistency. Every part, every batch, every time. Stop guessing and start producing. That's the power of the Titan mark point recognition and its vision system. For more workflow hacks, hit subscribe. I'm Laurent. Let's make something awesome together.